Hi everybody, this is my new purchase, Silver Stacker Regina. This is Silver Stacker Regina. I hope you like silver because I'm buying it. Don't know if you like it or not. It's just a way to put your money into a different form. I don't think we'll ever see hopefully we'll never see another depression or recession, but I do enjoy stacking silver, so hopefully it'll pay off for me again. It did one time. I bought my Canadian maple leaf of silver for about $4, something like that, way back in the day. God, this was what, 30 years ago, and it bounced up to $44 an ounce for the maple leaves, the silver maple leaves. I sold all of them, and I should have kept some. I shouldn't have sold any of them. I should have bought more before it jumped up. And I made a bundle on the Canadian maple leaves. These are, of course, Sunshine Minting. These are done by Sunshine Minting. They're $27 each right now. That includes the spot price. But anyway, I hope you enjoy silver stacking. I do. Hopefully I'll be able to get into gold soon. It's going to be another year, but it's coming soon. So I'll keep my eye open on that and give you as much information as I can. Enjoy. I truly love this hobby. It is well, silver's not as expensive as gold, platinum, or palladium, or any of the other precious metals. But I'm getting there. I'm starting out slow. Remember, keep all your silver and gold, precious metals, monies, extra money in a vault. It's better than don't keep it at home. Obviously, I do not keep my silver, gold, or anything else of that nature, money, at home. Bad idea. Keep it at a vault or somewhere safe.